Live, the news you count on. NBC2 News at 11.
A mother-daughter that passed within days of one another. We cared for a husband and wife that also passed within days of one another.
Beyond these refrigerated doors, the walls are stacked to the ceiling with COVID victims. Funeral homes tell us they are reaching their limit. Thank you for watching NBC2. I'm Peter Bush.
And I'm Brenna White. Tonight, Cape Coral Hospital is keeping bodies in a refrigerated truck outside because so many people are dying with COVID. NBC2's Gage Goulding is talking to funeral home directors worried if the spread doesn't slow down, they'll reach a tipping point.
We are working some longer hours to try to take care of our families.
Families are lining up by the dozens to plan funerals for their loved ones lost to COVID-19. Fuller Medicine Cape Coral has cared for 24 COVID deaths this month. That's the most since the pandemic began.
We've actually seen about a 30% increase over 2020.
Tim Hawk manages the funeral home that can handle 4 to 6 cremations a day. He tells me soon that might not be enough.
If we keep on this pace, then I could certainly see us, as well as all the other funeral homes in the county, having delays because of the volume of deaths. There is a fear that at some point we could very well get overloaded.
In Fort Myers, the trend is the same. Here at Mullins Memorial, they're seeing even more COVID deaths, a staggering 40 this month alone, with another week to go.
25% of those were vaccinated.
Pre-pandemic, Shannon Mullins and his wife cared for around 65 families a month. Now that number's up to 90. The surge this month pushing the staff and their equipment to its limits.
It's taxed. It's taxed. We just do the best we can and just keep taking care of these families one at a time.
Shannon shares the heartbreaking toll this pandemic is taking on our own community.
We cared for a husband and wife that also passed within days of one another. A mother-daughter that passed within days of one another.
If you aren't convinced that the pandemic is hitting home yet, take it from those that are seeing the worst of COVID.
This is a real thing. This COVID thing is real.
Reporting in Lee County, Gage Goulding, NBC2.
The federal government is offering help to families who have lost a loved one to COVID-19. Families can file for up to $9,000 in funeral cost reimbursements. This is through FEMA. We have more information posted on the NBC2 News app. Just click on News links.